Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix Twitter operator not supported on settings. We will click here on settings, then we come here to settings window and we will just go down. We will click here on apps, then we come here to apps window and we will come to this is window. We will go down here to looking for Twitter app. We will just go down and we will go to looking for Twitter app and this is window and we find it. We will click here on Twitter, then we come to next window here. We will click here on force stop, then we will click here on OK, and we click here on storage, then we come here to storage window. We will click here on clear cache, then we will click here on clear data, and you just turn off your Wi-Fi and turn on it, and it's going to work with you. So that's all. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe, and see you in next video.